The Venus flytrap is one of nature's most iconic oddities. It's a plant, yet it hunts and eats living creatures. This immediately raises a fundamental biological question. Why? Plants are supposed to be self-sufficient, drawing energy from the sun through photosynthesis. If the Venus flytrap can produce its own food, why bother with the messy, time-consuming business of catching and digesting an insect? First, let's confirm the basics. The Venus flytrap is indeed a capable photosynthesizer. Like any typical green plant, it harnesses sunlight, carbon dioxide, and water to create the sugars and oxygen necessary for cellular energy. That part of its biology is perfectly functional. But self-sufficiency isn't about energy alone. It's about building blocks. The true answer lies not in the air, but in the ground where it grows. The Venus flytrap is native to a very specific, limited region of North and South Carolina. Its natural habitat consists of bogs and wetland areas characterized by highly acidic soil. This acidic environment is critically low on essential minerals and nutrients that most plants rely on for robust growth, most notably nitrogen, along with various amino acids and vitamins. Most common flora cannot survive in such conditions. Over millennia, facing a severe nutrient deficiency in the soil, the Venus flytrap evolved an extraordinary, almost desperate survival strategy. It adapted to seek out these missing vital components from an alternative source, animal life. Insects, spiders, and other small prey become its supplementary fertilizer. Rich in the nitrogen compounds it desperately needs to build strong proteins and thrive. The mechanism itself is a marvel of biological engineering. Once the prey lands on the leaf and triggers the sensitive hairs, the trap snaps shut. The plant doesn't immediately crush the insect. Instead, it seals the perimeter tightly. The digestive phase then begins, where the plant secretes specialized acidic fluids into the trap. These fluids are essentially powerful enzymes that break down the soft tissues of the insect, dissolving them into a nutrient-rich soup. This process is slow, taking typically 5 to 6 days to fully absorb all the necessary nutrients. Interestingly, the plant is quite discerning about what it eats. If a non-food item, such as a twig or a raindrop, accidentally triggers the trap, the plant will eventually reopen, realizing the object is indigestible or inert, thus saving precious energy. Furthermore, the teeth or cilia lining the trap are strategically spaced. This spacing allows extremely small insects to squeeze through and escape. This selectivity is purely utilitarian. Very small prey does not contain enough nutritional value to offset the huge energetic cost required for the plant to fully close the trap and undertake the lengthy digestion cycle. The Venus flytrap is optimizing its hunting efforts. So, the conclusion is clear. The Venus flytrap doesn't eat bugs because it and photosynthesizes its energy. It eats bugs because its environment fails to provide the basic nutritional building blocks required for life. It is a stunning example of evolutionary adaptation, turning a deadly environmental weakness, nutrient-poor soil into a predatory strength.